one of the benefits going to a show like this. You'll connect with so many people that when you do have an issue come up, you're not going around in circles trying to find out, how she resolve that issue. There's already a source in place.
I think that there's this sense of camaraderie in the custodial world because we've got a lot of the same challenges that are kind of unique to what we have to deal with. And so just finding that common ground with a lot of people, and you get to learn from their experiences and how they've overcome those challenges, or at the very least know that you're not in this alone, So that's something that I really like.
To find the right niche is one of the hardest parts in this industry. So they actually a couple of courses and workshops about hiring personnel and staff.
I actually went to a lot of classes of green cleaning in schools. It really gave me a chance to get exposed to the larger picture of what's going on. So, that gave me a lot of ideas to really go back and do an assessment on our program, see where we can go.
The health and safety of people and the facilities that we're responsible for is such a huge priority that it's trending upwards as far as the advancements and the technologies and what's out there.